Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere. Today I'm doing a Hot Wheels unboxing. If you have noticed, I have not done one of these in a long while, so I thought I would do one. Today I am unboxing the Segundo Coupe, and it's new for 2023. It's number 105 out of 250 cars for 2023. It's number 405 in the HW Dream Garage. And it is gray and white. And there's a knee case. It was also, its birthplace was 2022 in Segundo, Florida, California. And the designer was Hot Wheels. And let's open it. Okay, so I have opened it, and it is a very cool car. And as you can see, it's a bit designed like the Coupe clip, which is a clip that you can clip your keys onto, your key rings onto. And it's got a silver bottom, and it has two headlights. So remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some more awesome videos with the Justin Sphere on Hot Wheels, Legos, and more. See ya.